Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is American plant exchange Sansevieria laurenti. Sansevieria are African plants with magnificent green and black vertical sword-like leaves. They're also known as snake plant and mother-in-law's tongue. They are incredibly low care and survive on neglect in small places with little water and in direct sunlight. They are only fed twice a year. According to a NASA study, Sansevieria is one of the best air purifying plants for removing hazardous pollutants from your home's air. Sansevieria, as one of the few plants that releases oxygen during the night, may also help you sleep better when placed in your bedroom. Only water the pot when the soil is at least 50% dry. Feel free to explore. Sansevieria thrives when left alone with little monitoring. Having real plants in your home has a fantastic warming and inviting effect. We are constantly working to provide you the healthiest, most attractive, and most helpful plants available. Make sure the plants in your cart indicate ships from Amazon to ensure you get American plant exchange plants. With a wide range of tiny and large plants, you can bring inspiration into your home or business. There is bound to be a perfect plant for you among the many types and hues available. Plants help to purify the air in your home or business by filtering and removing volatile organic compounds, VOCs. They emit oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide, which cleans the air and removes hazardous contaminants. NASA research has found that houseplants may eliminate up to 87% of airborne pollutants in a room in 24 hours. Our second best indoor flowering plants is Costa Farms Anthurium indoor houseplant. Bring a lovely flowering anthurium into your home for a tropical feel. These lush and green houseplants have a splash of red flower and are ready to liven up any place with real plants. Allow this popular indoor live plant to substantially improve room design appeal, adding a focal point to any living room, workplace, or bedroom decor. A beautiful anthurium, which stands 10 to 12 inches tall, is a vivid addition to your house. This actual plant is neatly potted and ready to enjoy and admire immediately after unboxing. The anthurium is an excellent accent to any room, home, tropical, or office design. Every plant is carefully wrapped and transported directly from our farm to your home. We feel more comfortable and serene when we see greenery and nature in our rooms, workstations, and offices. According to NASA research, having plants in your home enhances your mood, sparks your creativity, and reduces stress. Live indoor plants are also natural air purifiers, assisting in the removal of dangerous contaminants from the air. Genuine plants provide genuine advantages. Curate your aesthetic with the timeless beauty of living houseplants. There is a plant for every house or business, whether you want better air, to show your style, or to bring nature in. Elevate your room with a lush, low-maintenance plant that looks nice and gives back. Third choice in our list is Just Add Ice JA 5000 Pink Orchid Bathroom Planter. This living houseplant is ideal as a home decor element for your kitchen, bathroom, office, and more. Living home decor components breathe new life, color, and beauty into every room. This orchid will liven up your kitchen and bring beauty to your bathroom. This indoor houseplant is fully rooted and developed specifically for your home. Our skilled gardeners select houseplants with good genetics that are simple to grow inside. These orchid blossoms can bloom for months and rebloom year after year if properly cared for. For our plant delivery service, we only use the highest quality houseplants. When you order this houseplant, you can be confident that it was chosen fresh from the greenhouse. This orchid in bloom is a colorful and lovely present. Its eye-catching blossoms will delight your loved ones as they watch it bloom. Because they survive longer than most flowers, Phalaenopsis orchids make an excellent present for birthdays, anniversaries, housewarmings, and Mother's Day. Bless your mother, wife, and friends with this one-of-a-kind gift, and watch as it keeps on giving. This indoor houseplant is fully rooted and developed specifically for your home. Our skilled gardeners select houseplants with good genetics that are simple to grow inside. These orchid blossoms can bloom for months and re-bloom year after year if properly cared for. To keep plants happy and healthy, we combine industry-leading growing practices, technology, and sustainability. We exceed DOA requirements and maintain an A rating from the MPS environmental certification. When you order this houseplant, you can be confident that it was chosen fresh from the greenhouse. Number 4 in our side is Altman Plants Essential Houseplant Collection. Each plant box contains live indoor plants that range in height from 7 to 10.5 inches. This plant variety includes a low-maintenance indoor plant suitable for almost any environment. 3 hand-picked plants in 4-inch nursery pots are included. Depending on availability, the plants in each grower's choice plant box may include a rubber plant, pothos plant, philodendron, dieffenbachia plant, calathea plant, ivy plant, croton plant, and or snake plant. Order fully rooted plants for prime delivery today to have real house plants delivered to your home as soon as possible. These low-light houseplants will liven up any dimly lit room. Indoor plants can help to purify the air in any environment. These adaptable house plants thrive as wall plants in a hanging plant holder or on a plant shelf next to framed paintings. Last in our top 5 best indoor flowering plants list is Kalanchoe Live Succulents plants. Each order contains 3 different Kalanchoe in 3.5 inches nursery pots. Our live house plants and natural plants complement flowers and succulent decor. Enjoy easy-to-grow houseplants for prime delivery. Order today, unbox quickly. These attractive plants have modest flowers and require little maintenance and sunlight. These and other low-light houseplants flourish in our environment. Showcase it as an interior plant or alongside outside flowers and patio plants. These succulents thrive outside in warm climes, and their colorful blossoms make them excellent exterior plants. Replant in a hanging planter or attractive plant pots to enjoy our real succulents as backyard or patio plant decor. This Kalanchoe Blossfeldiana 3-pack is an eclectic assortment of any of the following color varieties: red flowers, pink flowers, orange flowers, yellow flowers, or white flowers. Kalanchoe succulents, also known as Christmas Kalanchoe and Flaming Katy Kalanchoe, are popular easy home plants due to their attractive features and low maintenance requirements. Each spring, these succulent plants will burst forth with vivid, colorful flowers that are mushy and petite, contrasting with their deep green leaves. Adequate sunlight and regular trimming will promote long-lasting flower blooms that will persist till winter. Offering an interesting blend of brilliant hues, these are ideal as a house plant for both kitchen and living room decor, and will bring life to any space. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.